everyone, and welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new. Today I have a grocery haul to share with you. This is the first grocery haul for February 2022. For reference, I'm a Jamaican living in Jamaica, and this household has primarily 4 members, 2 adults, a teenager and a child, and occasionally my 2 kids come by, and they are, I guess you can say, one is a tween and one is a child. I co-parent, so this is a blended family. So now that you have the reference, what we got today: spice bun. So there's 2, 4, 6 of these. This is coconut cream powder. We just call it coconut milk, and there are 10. There's 12. Oh, this one has 12. Yeah, so there's 12 sachets inside. This is what they look like. We still have some from last month. And then get this out of the bag. We have spaghetti, and there are 4 of these packages. There's Milo for the kids, for the younger kids. We have peppermint tea, and we have 2 of these. And then we have black tea. We also have 2 of these, and they have 20 in each box. We have tuna. There's 9 cans of tuna. This large can of mackerel. There are 3 cans of this. Then we have 4 cans of the small baked beans, 4 cans of mixed vegetables. Something is wet. That's not good. And we have this box of cashew milk. This is for hubby. He doesn't do dairy. And then we have 4 cans of small corned beef, 2 of these non-dairy creamers, the dry creamer. Hi, Papa. He's over there looking at me, wondering why I'm talking to myself. And we used to buy box milk for the kids, but I bought one of these the other day, and we've had it for a while and it's still not done, so I think this is a better buy. And with prices going up left, right and center, I decided to buy this instead of the box milk. So we have 2 of these, and it's a soy beverage. Then we have our bottle of browning, a big bottle of ketchup, a bottle of fish and meat sauce, vanilla, 2 boxes of cereal, and we'll buy more cereal throughout the month. We won't buy more of any of we'll buy more of Babe's milk, but pretty much everything here we're not gonna buy again. I have 1 large box of foil. Then I think this is I told him to buy 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. He bought 9, so there's 9 drink mixes. We have 2 tubes of toothpaste. This is the one that Babe likes. And 6 toothbrushes. I actually told him to buy 4 because I was gonna buy 2 because he likes the hard toothbrushes. Yeah, all of these are firm. I don't like them, so I wanted to get soft or medium, so I told him to buy 4, but he just bought 6 because it's really 6 of us. Because I like to change everybody's toothbrush at the same time. So even though my kids are not here for the majority of the time, it just makes life easier for me if I just change everybody's toothbrush at the same time. All right, so those are non-food items. Now on the floor in front of me, there is a bag with our meats. There's 3 bags of chicken. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Let me just look at them because I'm not sure how much chicken is in one of these bags. What does it say? Does it have the weight on here? It's mixed parts. It says convenience pack. It doesn't have the weight on there. I want to say there's roughly 2 chickens in each of the bags. and I think that's why they probably don't do it by weight. They probably do it by the amount of pieces that's in the bag. I don't know if I had apologized for somebody that's doing their lawn. If you're hearing that, I'm sorry. So this is our cold bag. So that was my knee. Nice. Old. So this, we have 3 bags. So as I said, I think it comes out to around 2 chickens, or 1.5 or 2 and a little bit if you were to count the parts. And then we have this huge bag of frankfurters, chicken frankfurters, and then we have some beef. There's the beef. Let me see. It's frozen. It's not the best quality beef, but hey. And then there's some oxtail down in this bag somewhere. I'm going to take one of these bags out. I'm going to put 2 bags in the freezer just as is, and then I'm going to take one of these bags out, separate the chicken, portion it up, and then I'm going to season the beef as well. So 2 bags of this are going in the freezer. This is going in the freezer. The oxtail is going into the freezer. See it down there, so I can't seem to get it up. Can I turn the light on so you can see? Yeah, that's the oxtail right there. All right, and then we have crackers. We have 6 of the water crackers, and these are the cinnamon ones. We have 4 packs left from last month, so he normally buys 9 each, so I guess we don't need to buy 9. And then we have 9. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and then we have 9 of these. So the kids tend to eat these more than they eat these, so that's why we have less of these and the cream crackers. He also bought this, and he opened it before he left. So this is hubby's haul. And then we have some, excuse my towel, we have some scallion. And here in Jamaica, whenever you're buying scallion, they always push a little bit of thyme in there, and some sweet peppers. Yes guys, so that is the haul, and now I'm gonna put the things away. Oh, also, you don't see any flour, sugar, rice, or cooking oil because we buy those things in bulk. So we had bought 25-pound packs of each, the rice, flour, and sugar in November, I want to say, and a 2-liter bottle of cooking oil, and we still have left out of those. And then outside of that, we bought a 10-pound bag of wheat flour, which I mix with the regular flour, and that is not done as yet either, so that's why you don't see any of those things. I don't remember the exact dollar amount that he told me, and I don't see the receipt. Usually he tucks the receipt into the bag. I would show you if I had it, but I think he said that the total was over $30,000. It was, I want to say it's between $30,000 and $35,000 for these things, and I will put the US dollar equivalent for the day that I am editing the video. Of course, you know the US dollar fluctuates, the exchange rate rather fluctuates from day to day, so it's gonna be an approximate figure for all of my United States viewers. My channel, actually, most of my viewers are actually from the United States. put almost everything away except for the ketchup and the foil. The foil goes into that drawer down there. I don't know where I'm gonna put that big bottle of ketchup for now. And this little man, you're not saying hello? He decided that he's been playing by himself for long enough, so so he was fussing, so I took him up and I just have the meat. So I have the chicken to section and season up what I'm gonna make for dinner tomorrow, and I'm gonna also season up the beef for dinner tomorrow. It's gonna be Sunday dinner, so if you're Jamaican or you have Jamaican family members, you know how that goes. I've lost my Jamaicanness where Sunday dinner is concerned, but my family is used to it, so they get some semblance of Sunday dinner from me every Sunday. Alright guys, said it again. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, and I'll see you in another video. And I'll see you in the next video.